More than 40,000 people have been infected with the Wuhan coronavirus across the globe, and the death toll now tops 900. But still, only 12 cases have been confirmed here in the United States, and the risk to Siouxlanders remains low. It's our top story. Of the 12 people infected here in the United States, none of them have been from the tri-state area. The Iowa Department of Public Health reporting today the 2 Iowans who were still tested for the coronavirus last week have tested negative. The Iowa Department of Health again saying the risk to Iowans remains low at this time. And we're getting an update from Omaha tonight. The 57 Americans who landed at Eppley Airfield Friday night and were taken into quarantine are doing well. A team leader from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention saying no one quarantined at Camp Ashland is showing any symptoms at this time, but they will continue to be monitored for the next week and a half, with CDC officials checking their symptoms twice a day. And as stories surrounding the coronavirus continue to spread, Siouxland health officials are trying to calm the fears, saying that the risk to most Siouxlanders does remain very low. KCAU-9 reporter Lydia Vasquez joins us in studio to share what you need to know about the virus.
Yeah, Rebecca, the risk of catching the new coronavirus for most Siouxlanders is very low, but that doesn't mean people can't take precautions to make sure they stay healthy. I spoke with Tyler Brock with the Siouxland District Health Department today while he was at a Rotary Club meeting here in Sioux City. Dozens were there to voice their concerns and ask questions about this new virus. He told me it should be treated like any other illness.
It's a virus that originated in China, okay, most likely from an animal source that went on to go from infecting animals to infecting people. And then it has since moved on to infect not animals to people, but people to people.
Brock says right now this virus is very similar to other viruses, with the one exception that there isn't a vaccine for it yet. He says it's important for the public to be informed on how to prevent not just the coronavirus, but other illnesses too.
Hands are one of the primary ways that things get spread. Covering your cough, staying home when you're sick, trying to avoid folks that are sick. Those are just some of the everyday measures that we take all the time to combat viruses.
Brock does say the new coronavirus is contacted through exposure. If you recently have not been to China or been in contact with anyone from China, then your risk for the virus still remains low. Lydia Vasquez, KCAU-9 News.
Thanks so much, Lydia. If you want to learn more about the symptoms of the coronavirus and how to keep yourself healthy, just check out this story on our website, SiouxlandProud.com, and click on the featured content tab.